Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Lower your hips and drop level with intent, not hesitation. Step with the lead foot between theirs. Make a compact penetration step so you're close. Reach with both hands and establish a secure grip behind the knees or on the biceps. Drive your head to the outside of their sternum for control. This blocks their posture. Once you feel contact, pull slightly while keeping your back straight and hips loaded, because power comes from the legs and hip thrust. Once your penetration step is solid, sink your rear knee to the mat and square your hips toward theirs. This prevents sprawling. Keep your head tight on their chest to steer and deny space. Reach deep with both hands and clasp behind the knees or calves. Pull their legs to you slightly while driving your shoulder into them. Then explode forward with your legs and hips. This combination lifts or collapses their base. Make sure to maintain posture and chest pressure. Without it, they can sprawl free. Drive through the takedown by continuing forward pressure. Step around their hips to the side you cleared and turn the corner to off-balance them. Once they fold, clamp your chest to theirs and establish cross-face control, then transition to knee-on belly or side control to secure the finish. If they sprawl, don't panic. Re-establish head pressure, adjust your angle, and re-penetrate with a lower, longer step. This correction often wins the exchange because it forces them to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.